back to English Club. Today we are going to learn about narrative text. This text is very interesting because it tells a story. So listen carefully to get all the details. Narrative text is a text that tells a story to entertain the reader or listener. Usually, it contains characters, a setting, and a plot. Some examples of narrative text are fairy tales, legends, and fables.
For example, Cinderella. Cinderella is a story about a kind girl treated badly by her step-family, who meets a prince with the help of a fairy. Next is Malin Kundang. Malin Kundang is a story about a boy who becomes rich but denies his mother and is cursed into stone.
Okay, and narrative text has three main parts. Number first is orientation. In this part, the story begins to open. We are introduced the characters and then where the story takes place, and when it happens, it helps us imagine the word of the story. And the second, about complication. This is the most exciting part where a problem or conflict appears, something unexpected happens, and the character must face a challenge. And the last one is resolution. In this part, the problem is solved. The story reaches its ending and we find out what happens to the characters after the conflict. Now, let's talk about the language features of narrative text. First, narrative text usually uses past tense because the story happened in the past. For example, live, when, meet, and how. These verbs show that the event already happened. The second, it uses time connectives to show the sequence of events. For example, once upon a time, then, after that, suddenly, and finally. These words help the story flow from the beginning until the end. The third, narrative text also uses action verbs, which are verbs that show actions. For example, ran, open, cried, and fell. These verbs make the story more alive and interesting. So, by using past tense, time connectives, and action verbs, the story becomes clearer and easier to understand. That's why when you listen to or read a narrative text, you should pay attention to these language features.
Now, we will move to the example of narrative text. Cinderella. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Cinderella. She lived with her stepmother and stepsisters. They treated her badly. One day, there was a royal ball. Cinderella wanted to go, but her stepmother did not allow her. Suddenly, a fairy godmother helped her. She went to the ball and met the prince. Finally, Cinderella and the prince lived happily ever after. In a small village market, an old mother struggles to carry a heavy sack while her beautiful daughter walks ahead, ashamed of her. The daughter refuses to help and instead shows off her beauty and clothes. A man at the market asks if the old woman is her mother. The girl coldly denies it, calling her a servant. Heartbroken, the mother collapses and prays in deep sorrow. Suddenly, A curse begins. The girl's body slowly turns into stone. She tries to move, but it is too late. The mother embraces her daughter, now a stone, weeping. The daughter can still cry, but only tears fall from her stone eyes.